I feel like it's been a little while since I've shared just a creative portrait photo shoot behind the scenes, so that is exactly what I'm doing today. Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be sharing a lot of the posing prompts that I'm sharing with my subjects so you can get ideas on how to direct your own subjects for portrait photo shoots. And I'm also going to be sharing my unedited 100% crops of the photos that I'm taking, as well as my edited version, because I am using the new Sony a7R V with the GM 135mm f1.8. So today's model is Zali, Lydia's on hair and makeup, Dan's behind the camera filming. Let's get started. Would love to start just with you standing here. Okay, so this lens is super long, so I'm gonna be quite far away from you for these shots. Ooh, that looks so cool there. Okay, so I'm cropping like above, like about here. There was sun just a minute ago, and as soon as we were ready to start shooting, it hid behind a cloud. This spot would have looked so good with the sun, as Zali would have been backlit and we would get more light and color in the leaves too, which I purposely left in the frame for that reason. I thought there was more sun. I think the sun like went away. So maybe we'll go out here. Yeah, well this looks nice here. If I go this way, you'll get more light on your face. Oh yes, okay, this is better here. All right, so I'm just gonna get a close-up portrait while we wait for the sun to come back. That looks so good. A little fun fact, the dress Zali is wearing, I actually bought the first time I went overseas as an adult. I went to London with Dan to photograph a fashion campaign, and I bought this dress while I was there. If you wanted to bring your hand up towards your chin, maybe would look cool, yeah. Well, that looks really nice with your chin down and your nose pointed towards my camera. Oh, hi. Yeah, they all get really excited about the fluffy microphone. And then let's go down there. There's like fields and sun. You filming me walking? I'll just like casual one. Oh yes, okay, we've got sun. Do you want to stand just up here? I'm getting like a above your knee shot. Whoa, that looks so cool there. And then can we also do some shots if you pretend you're like caressing the grass? Oh, we got some raindrops. That's so cool. Finally, the sun has decided to join us. I love that it was raining on and off throughout the day, so the grass is glistening, and by shooting backlit, it's picking up that light really nicely in the frame. These kinds of compositions with lots of negative space around the subject are probably my favorite kind of photo to capture on a 135 prime lens. Yep. Do you want to hug your arms just there like yourself? Yeah. That looks so cool there. Wow, it's so dreamy. Oh my gosh, I love these. I'm gonna get a close-up because the lighting is so beautiful. And do you want to crouch just there as well? In the previous photos, we mostly just had bokeh in the background, but with these shots, I am able to incorporate the location more into the frame by capturing more texture from the grass. This helps add context to the frame and creates more of a story in the set of images we're taking. And then if you want to twist like just your shoulders a little bit more towards me as well. Yeah, I know it's a bit awkward, but but it looks so majestic and like pretty. You'd never know how wet and muddy the ground is. Just one more if you wanted to rest your head in your hand. And And then I want to do like one more moving shot as well. I think we could probably do it down here, it's a little safer. So I feel like it'd be cool, I want to get a full body shot of you just doing like really like long strides. If you wanted to go like just here, we'll go like along that way. That's so cool. Ooh. All right, and then do you want to come back as well? I'm gonna go even further back. All right. I like the little skip. Yeah, I feel like a little bit more skippy for these ones would be cool. You can also smile if you want to. I love that. I feel like let's do some shots sitting on that log too.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay, that looks so cool. Can't even like tell where you are on this lens. Ooh, that looks so cool. Love like your angles and the moodiness. Looks really good. Sorry, I made you smile. I wouldn't normally choose to shoot in a location like this, but I thought since I'm using a telephoto lens, I should try it out. I feel like I should get some shots with your shoes in it too. That's cool. Normally I like to do portrait photo shoots with something wider, like a 35mm, and I think it would be difficult to compose the shot to not see any of that dirt or barrenness behind Zali with a wide-angle lens. And do you want to try sitting? You can also put both your feet on the log as well, or even just one. That looks cool too. Yeah, oh, I love that. But since I'm on a 135, this focal length really compresses your field of view and can turn super ordinary looking locations into something really special for a portrait backdrop. It's also an added bonus that we had somewhere for Zali to sit down finally, since everywhere else was super wet and muddy from all the rain. I love adding sitting down shots as it creates so many different shapes compared to just standing up. It looks really cool.
I look so bloody cranky.
I love it though, it looks cool. Because you know when, like, it's nice to have a mixture when you have a really pretty dress, really pretty location, and then you mix it with the grumpiness.
Grungy.
Yeah.
I like it. Love it.
I really hope you all enjoyed today's behind the scenes. Let me know which ones are your favorite photos down in the comments below. And if you want to see my complete photo and video review of the Sony a7R5, I'll leave that linked in the description as well. But as always, thank you so much for watching. I make new videos every single week, so I will see you all next time. Bye.